Hosting or hosting plans explained. Which plan should you choose? Welcome to today's video, where we'll be breaking down Hostinger's hosting plans and helping you decide which one is right for you. Hostinger is a popular web hosting service that offers a range of plans to suit different needs and budgets. In this video, we'll take a closer look at each of their plans, highlighting their key features and benefits so you can make an informed decision when choosing your hosting provider. Hostinger offers a variety of hosting plans, including single, shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting options. Their plans start at around $2.99 per month for a basic shared hosting plan, which includes 1 gigabyte of storage, 10 gigabytes of bandwidth, and support for up to 10 websites. This plan is ideal for small blogs, personal websites, or small businesses with a limited online presence. Their mid-tier plan, the single hosting plan, starts at $3.95 per month and includes 30 gigabytes of storage, 100 gigabytes of bandwidth, and support for up to 20 websites. This plan is suitable for medium-sized businesses or websites with a moderate online presence. Hostinger's VPS hosting plans start at $7.99 per month and include 50 gigabytes of storage, 500 gigabytes of bandwidth, and support for up to 50 websites. This plan is ideal for larger businesses or websites with a high online presence. Their dedicated hosting plans start at $19.99 per month and include 100 gigabytes of storage, 1 terabyte of bandwidth, and support for a single website. This plan is suitable for large businesses or websites with a high online presence and require a high level of customization and control. When choosing a hosting plan, it's essential to consider your website's specific needs and requirements. If you're just starting out, a basic shared hosting plan may be sufficient. However, if you're planning to grow your website or require more advanced features, you may need to upgrade to a mid-tier or VPS plan.